Hi guys, this is Susie, and I would just like to give you my testimony on the six-figure blueprint and my empowering community, which I love dearly. Let me first just start by telling you about the 4 digital products that I sell. I promote 4 digital products. One is $50, one is $150, the other is $300, and the other is $600. So because I purchased the 600 digital product, I have the reselling rights to all the respective packages. So with that being said, that has allowed me to earn daily pay of $600 a day. And what you get with the six-figure blueprint, you get a free automated system, which if you don't know what automated means, it means that it's working for you in the back end. It's a funnel set up with emails that does all the selling and telling and following up for you. You don't have to follow up with anybody. You don't have to chase anybody down. That's what the automated system does. You get free mentoring from my mentor, which this is so awesome because nobody does mentoring for free. And not only that, like, she has her own business that she does. Then she has to, take care of our community and, do daily, webinars and stuff like that. And that is so awesome of her. Like, she is such a wonderful mentor, and she really inspires me. And I'm pretty sure that she would inspire you too. Okay, so we also get a daily planner of what we need to do. Everything is there for you. As long as you're coachable, you can, follow the system of the blueprint and show up for 2 hours a day. Just 2 hours a day, guys. The rest of the day you can spend with your family. You can, go on vacation. This is a global opportunity. So you can work from anywhere as long as you have Wi-Fi, a cell phone, or a laptop. You can work from anywhere. So with this being said, guys, I'm pretty sure that you're here, you know, because you're looking for something, okay, the perfect opportunity for your online business that's going to alleviate your 9 to 5 stress, your financial problem, and give you back your time. You don't have to trade time for money anymore. Once you're in with this system, you you will live a life where that you never expected before. And let me just start by telling you now about the community. The community is 11,000 and growing strong. And this is like a real family. I have been doing affiliate marketing for almost 2.5 years. And I have been through a lot of communities, so-called communities, that's supposed to be your support system. But it's not true. They sell you this product and then it's like you're left on your own. And that's not cool because there's a lot of people out there that are not really techie or really afraid. And that's what keeps them on the sidelines from purchasing a product, because those are some real like apprehensions. Like, I'm not techie. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that, because I was like that, but I taught myself everything. And I think I got, pretty good, but I still needed a mentor. And it took me a while before I came over into Michelle's group, and I'm so glad I did, because the love you feel in this group is awesome. So guys, if you're looking for a place to belong and you're looking for a business opportunity to end your financial stress, this is it. So I hope you found value in this testimony and you will consider, okay, coming into our community and taking the opportunity to change your life with the six-figure blueprint. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope to see you on the inside.